Again and welcome to day 16 of this short reality transurfing course I created based on teachings by Vadim Zeland, the quantum physicist. Card of the day is called Faith, and here is a short description of the card. Like it has been said many times over, you will have everything in direct proportion to your faith. And that is exactly the way it is. But how to believe in such a thing? It is useless to persuade yourself into believing. Instead, take real action. Visualize your end goal by following the principles of reality transurfing. Practice said principles regularly and you will see what will happen. Outer intention will open the door for the world where impossible becomes possible. And so when the mind finds itself actually experiencing real miracles firsthand, it will strengthen the belief as a result too. So when you realize how reality transurfing actually works, you won't need faith any longer. Instead, you will have knowledge. So if we see briefly this picture here, we can see that this angel, which in my opinion means reality transurfing itself, it's pointing a finger to this universe, to this actually force that can create the reality without sheer faith, but with actually implementing those principles into everyday life and using that force and this so-called outer intention to actually then direct it into creating of the everyday miracles, so to speak, and not just hoping that one day something will manifest. So this angel is actually saying, like, you don't have to have faith, or you don't have to hope, but you can have real knowledge in the form of the universe that can actually help you and that can direct your desires into the other side of the mirror, into the physical side from the metaphysical. So reality transurfing gives you a playing board and the rules of the game too. But you alone decide what to do with it, as you are the king or the queen of your world. So don't succumb to anyone else's influence and believe in yourself. Don't believe in others' decisions too. And even if you do have the knowledge now, you are still not saved from making mistakes, of course. But it's not actually a problem, as every successful person has gone through some real struggles, but they don't emphasize that side of their journey. Instead, they give gratitude to it. So if you do make a mistake, you can be happy as you're on your way to success. At least this is how you can interpret it in the way to serve you. So sometimes you will get a feeling that circumstances are perhaps against you, but in reality you actually never know which path will lead you towards your goal. Besides, the keepers of the real knowledge didn't reveal reality transurfing so that you can have faith into metaphysics, but instead to have real results with your everyday life. As having sheer faith, if you have sheer faith, you always have some doubts too. But with real action, which comes here in the form of reality transurfing principles, you actually come into this space and it like the whole new perspective opens up to you, therefore. And this is where you will say, I don't wish, I don't have faith, and I don't hope. I have the intention and the knowledge instead. So that will be all for this card. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be happy to receive some more of your feedback and to see how your journey throughout this course is going. Thank you so much again, and see you soon for the next card. Goodbye.